Good day everyone. I'm John Eder F. Loreso. I'm here to report risk of a sinkhole and how to lessen the damage of it. Rainwater, which is likely acidic, can dissolve soluble bedrock over time, leading to the formation of underground cavities like mining, construction, drilling, excessive groundwater extraction can accelerate the collapse of the ground. Ensure the wastewater and stormwater are properly treated and managed to prevent erosion and dissolution of bedrock before construction. Conduct thorough genetic survey to assess the risk of sinkhole in the area. Maintain vegetation and other natural ground cover to reduce soil erosion and stabilize the ground. Prepared for the safety. I am your newscaster. Back to you, host. Good day, everyone. I'm John Eder F. Loreso. I'm here to report wildfire. Lightning strike and volcanic eruption can ignite wildfire. Unattended campfire, discarded cigarettes, power lines, and arson are common human-induced cause lava or hot ash from eruption can start fire. Educate the public about wildfire risk and safety practices, such as properly extinguishing campfire and avoiding burning debris on windy days. Implement land management practices like thinning forests and removing dead or diseased trees to reduce fuel loads and prevent large fire. Ensure power lines and equipment are properly maintained to prevent sparks or malfunction that could start fire. Prepared for the safety. I am your newscaster. Back to you, host.